Hi viewers, welcome to Kranti Computer Education. In this video, in C programming, we are going to see the topic programming rules in C language. Let's start the topic today. What are the rules? What are the programming rules for writing a C language program? So now we are going to see the rules that we have to keep in mind when we are writing C language programs. They are: C is a case sensitive programming language. What is case sensitive? We have two cases of writing program. One is lowercase and one is uppercase. Case sensitive means lowercase words are different from uppercase words. That means, so the statements of C program must be written in lowercase. All the C program statements must be written in lowercase letters only. The symbolic constants can be written in uppercase. After the declaration part, the executable statements can be written anywhere but only in respective braces. See these two symbols, opening brace, closing braces. These two are opening brace and closing brace. See here we have to observe declaration part and executable statements. We have in C program structure, in structure of a C program, we have main function section. So in main function section, there are two parts. One is declaration part, one is executable part. After declaration part, executable statements we can write anywhere, but those executable statements must be written inside the opening and closing braces. We have to write all these executable statements between the opening brace and closing brace of main function section. That means this statement. All the C statements must end with a semicolon. In bracket there is a symbol, that symbol is called semicolon here. So in C program, each and every statement must be terminated with a semicolon. Whenever the semicolon we wrote, the compiler treats that is the end of that statement. So more than one statement can also be written, more than one statements means multiple statements also can be written in one line, but they must be separated with a semicolon. If you want to write multiple statements in only one line, you can write, there is no problem, but each and every instruction must be separated with a semicolon. Whenever the semicolon is detected by the compiler treats that is the end of the statement. So we can write multiple statements in one line also. The keywords and identifiers can be separated with white spaces. So when we are typing the words in C program, when we are writing the words in C program, we can separate each and every word and identifier, these keywords and identifiers. So we can add white spaces. What is white space here? Whenever we are pressing space bar on the keyboard, we will get one character space, that is called white space here. So we can add white spaces, we can separate keywords and identifiers with white spaces. The last rule is balancing of opening and closing braces. So here opening brace and closing brace, that is the how many number of opening braces we are writing, those many number of closing braces we have to write in program. Means how many number of opening braces are there, that equal closing braces should be we have to type. If we forget any closing brace, then we will get errors. That's why we have to check all the opening braces, all the sections must be opened with opening brace and closing with closing brace. So we have to check that opening and closing braces must be equal. So these are the rules associated with a C program. I hope you understand the programming rules. Please subscribe this channel for more videos and encourage me, watch my videos. Thank you guys.